the middle of the night? Why am I still awake? Why the anxiety, these thoughts that defy me? What will it take for the pattern to break? I call on my God and that's where he finds me. Yes, his mercy revives me. His love, healing, his wisdom, reparative. His hand can strike out every fear and rewrite the narrative. Faith and freedom are not beyond reach. For those who will listen, he promises to teach our souls how to trust him. And this is the first step. The antidote for worry is not reason, it's worship. It's focusing on a person, not a process. Exchanging formulas for a promise that Jesus is enough for every battle, for every burden that we carry. It's true. His grace is sufficient for winning the war on worry.